here, right?
No.
Where?
You have to go exit and then you go another exit and then you have to go exit again. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We just got home from picking some things from CVS. And these two little puppies here, they're very bad. I look, that hiding. Look, hiding. Bad, Misty. Today's Monday. Today's Monday. I'm happy. Every Monday. My husband's off 2 days. I'm happy. And then we're going to the house. That's why your mama is happy. So, happy Kampa. I'm just trying to do everything today. My sister-in-law wasn't able to come over here to pick up her mother. So, we decided to pick her up after her dialysis, and then heading to our house after that. And she will coming here tonight to stay with her mother. So yeah. So while waiting for the time to pass by, my husband will go shower and I'm gonna do laundry. And he's having his coffee. Your coffee, honey? The two dogs are being punished. Punished, not being lovey-dovey, no treats, nothing. Because they're being a bad girl. Bad girl. You can't find it? I don't throw that out. Oh, it's right there.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping by.
Again, guys, I am back. I'm just done doing all my short video for the people who, for Enzo, the one who comment my video. And yes, I make a list over here, and I did transfer it to AirDrop that I can edit it now before I go. And yes, so I'm doing that, and then I'm going downstairs because I'm doing a laundry, and my dog is right here. A mess, guys. Welcome to my laundry a mess. Laundry a mess. Guys, we're driving. It's late already, and we know this time it's gonna be a traffic going there. Bumpus. Look at the sun, guys. How pretty it is, guys. Yeah. We just got in here, guys, but the alarm has been doing this. I don't know what is that.
Come on outside.
Huh?
Carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide?
Right, invisible gas that kills.
So what we gonna do? It doesn't say carbon monoxide.
CO.
So now what we gonna do? It says 21.
Yeah, where's 21? I'm guessing the basement. Which would make sense.
So yeah, so what we gonna do? Can we do something about it?
Well, I'm trying to reset it and see.
So that means there's gonna kill us over here. Wow. I have already a headache. Since I get in like headache already automatic. It's hard to live in the mountain. Carbon monoxide everywhere. Oh, I have to bring my bread inside. Everything is melting. And yeah, so I will see you later, guys. I'm just gonna do this and then I will be right back. He's opening all the one door and all the windows, guys. The airflow is really freezing in here now.
Yeah. Right. Chilly 86 degrees.
It's windy outside and the wind is kind of
Oh,
chilly.
please.
Oh, police. Oh, police. So I turned the light over here. It's going to
If there's any carbon monoxide in the house, they'll have to. But
see.
only detector is not on the one in the basement.
Only in the basement. How many detector we have?
All of the house.
All over the house? There's no in the living room here.
No, the bedrooms.
In
The
bedrooms.
hallways. Upstairs in the wall, in the bedrooms.
I don't have any idea what.
There is actually cooking and crap like that.
Yeah, cooking and smoking here. So yeah,
It's probably one of the dining room.
yeah, maybe in dining.
The kitchen room is closed, we go that way.
It is already 7 o'clock, guys, and no dinner yet. I'm not even cooking nothing. I need to shower really bad and
Smoke detector here.
he's over there. In where?
Smoke detector in the hallway.
So we're planning to go a little bit later. We go to we go to Home Depot and Lowe's to get paint before the store closes, because that tomorrow we're not gonna go run around and just do the job. And we go to get grocery also, a little vegetables, because we don't have vegetables. Somebody beeping, han. And I feel the wind. The wind is cold. And I'm here already, but I have like 4 videos. 2 videos is a vlog. 1 is the drama. It's feel not good, but I did put it anyway. You know, it's just stupid, like hard to edit that cloning, twinning stuff. And also about the visa processing and visa requirements. I have that uploaded already. I did that today and uploaded today, and it's gonna be live, you know, this week. One of maybe Wednesday, tomorrow, guys, tomorrow will be live tomorrow. And yeah, so before you watch this, you probably watched that already, but you know, I did only tell you what I remember. It's not the whole thing, because it's been 10 years ago and I don't even remember the whole thing, but I just tell you what I remembered. So hobby love, hobby love, hobby love, hobby love, hobby love.
A wide cutter.
Yeah, it's great. It's nice. You can it there. It's just like kind of very white and
What's your price on?
hmm?
What's your price on?
I like that over there too. Look, the orange one.
It's a real Chinese word.
Guys!
Hindi na lahat mo libat.
Guys, my husband doesn't believe me that gulay in our country is a freaking vegetables.
I know my wife. She makes up words every day.
I make up words.
All the time.
I put makeup on my face, but I don't make up words.
Tell us some of the words you tell me. And ask her if that's really words.
Baho tintin. Baho tintin, baho paklangklang. Anyway guys, so we don't have a gulay anymore, so we're gonna go grocery to do a gulay. Because
Ghostbuster?
huh?
What are you gonna call? Ghostbuster.
Gulay buster. Yeah, so we don't have a gulay. Like gulay. So that's the reason why we're gonna go grocery. We just buy, well,
We are not gonna go grocery. You are gonna go grocery. Where's the price chopper?
you have to go over there.
They're here, right?
No,
Where?
you have to go exit and then you go another exit and then you have to exit again.
Hun, how many exits am I going?
Oh,
Am I going back towards the house?
you know you're going to the house, towards the house.
That's what I'm saying. Am I going back towards the house?
You said upward the house.
Hun, play it back.
You said
Now you got it on a
forward.
recording. Play it back.
You have to go
You
awkward.
do that all the time. Now
Awkward,
play
yes.
it back.
There's no word awkward. Now he's making that up.
Play it back.
Okay, play. Okay, I'm wrong. My God. It's already 8:30. It's 8:40, guys. Almost 9 o'clock. We don't have dinner. Hubby doesn't feed me. Doesn't feed me. We have to go this way because
Sure, this way, not this way.
keep going. Don't exit over here. Don't get your signal. Hi guys, I'm so hungry. So we get some 3 different kind of paint. We went to Lowe's to get one paint because we can only get that from there. And I noticed the Lowe's is kind of more expensive. It's like few dollars more expensive. It's like
Could be
30.
a brand.
Yeah, I think just the brand is Sherwin-Williams is kind of high end, or it's not high end, but it's kind of, expensive brand. But it's crazy. We went to Costco, Home Depot. They changed the color, the pure white. They changed it to different kind, different name. I made some ginisang talong, guys, stir fry eggplant, and then lamb for my husband. It's just like butter in here. Is it butter, margarine, right? The one that I always reuse in the morning. Yeah, margarine. I cook, And yeah, so I just season this with ground garlic and onion and pepper. That's it. It's already 10 o'clock and late dinner. This is a late dinner, guys. Hi guys, it's already 11 o'clock, but look what happened. I found out my bed. Like, it's no air at all. It's nothing. It's no air. What's going on here? Like, look. So anyway, guys, we are going to bed. And I'm going to the bathroom and wash my face, wash everything. So anyway, I will see you in my next video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night.